so I'm Shannon Czaplinski, and I did my project on the discovery of penicillin. And without penicillin, over half of us would probably be dead right now, because penicillin is an antibiotic that helps cure things such as pneumonia and other diseases that what we think are easy disease, like curable diseases. Back then, before this, you could have died within like 2 weeks. And it was considered the miracle drug, and Alexander Fleming was the one who discovered it in 1928. And as you can see over there, he was growing mold in petri dishes, and he came back like after a day or two of growing mold, and he noticed that something had prevented the growth of neighboring colonies around this little like centerpiece on the light. You can kind of see it over there. And so he was wondering, like, well, what made it not grow? So he isolated the chemical from the mold, and this mold is called Penicillium notatum, and then he called this chemical penicillin. And then later, during World War II, after everybody had all these wounds and getting infected and stuff, they were in the process of researching it, and they moved the lab to the U.S. because all their labs in England were getting blown up from bombs that were being dropped. So then once they perfected perfected the penicillin, they were then producing it in mass chemicals, and then they were distributing it to all the World War II veterans. So, yeah, without it, we would be dead. So.